Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to change your birthday on Snapchat after changing it too many times. For example, if you want to change your birthday on Snapchat and you have changed it so many times so that it is not allowing you to change your birthday, then how you can do that? For example, if I click on setting and click on the birthday, as you can see it is showing the birthday, and if you want to change your birthday and you have finished all the attempts, then how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply go back again, click on the Bitmoji profile. After that, you have to click on setting and scroll down, and here you have to simply click on I need help. After that, you have to wait for some time so that Snapchat Sport open, and here you have to search for change date of birth. If you search for change date of birth, then you can find the option of change date of birth in here. So if you search for change date of birth, then you can the Snapchat will tell you the method how you can change date of birth, because you have already tried that method and it doesn't work for you. So you have to click on the no, and you have to select this article didn't answer my question or solve my problem. After that, you have to click on submit. If you click on submit, then here you can find the option of contact us, so you have to click on that. After that, you have to select any of the option which is as I need help with the Snapchat feature, and you have to scroll down and you have to click on settings, and after that you have to simply click on changing my birthday. Here you can find the option of that, because you have to click on the setting, and you have already tried that, so you have to still click need help, so you have to click on no. After that, so you have to click on yes, so that a new form will be open. So here you have to provide here the username. After that, you have to provide here your email if you have connected to, and here you have to explain the problem to Snapchat team so that they can solve the problem for you, which is as hello Snapchat team, I want to change my birthday on Snapchat. I have mistakenly changed my birthday. Now I want to change my birthday, but it is not allowing me. So kindly tell me a method to change my birthday on Snapchat. So in this way you can provide here the description. If you want to get that, you can simply copy that description from my video. After that, you can simply click on the captcha and you have to simply click on submit. After clicking on submit, the Snapchat will get your request, and within 24 to 48 hours they will connect to you and tell you a method how to change your birthday on Snapchat. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.